Peruvian Airlines plane burst into flames mid-air and skids off the runway in the Andes, but all 141 passengers on board escape unscathed. Shocking footage has emerged showing the aftermath of a plane crash in Peru. Videos posted to social media show the Peruvian Airlines Boeing 737 that had skidded off the runway at Francisco Caro Airport in Georgia, about 165 miles east of Lima. Miraculously, all 141 people on board the plane escaped without considerable injuries, the airline said in a statement. The aircraft turned on the right side, skidding off the runway. The high professionalism of our cabin crew prevented a major incident, the airline said. The Peruvian Ministry of Transport and Communication has said the aircraft caught fire as a consequence of a forced landing. Pictures on social media show firefighters working desperately to put out a blaze at the back of the aircraft. A trail of fire can be seen extended several meters from the back of the plane in videos shared online. Thick plumes of black smoke were also visible above the 737. The incident is under investigation. Source: http://www.dailymail.co.uk/